boy.
Oh.
Eh? One girl, one, yeah. I know. Yeah, man, we are telling some here when you go to a kid, man.
We spoke about today, didn't we? Go to police, go to police.
Come. Maybe in tired. Come. You have to come. Take him in. Come. Come. The mother feel weak. Yeah.
I feel like I want one.
Hmm?
I want one.
Yeah.
Because Auntie said when
Guys.
you have a goat, she gonna give.
See mother, yeah. See that?
Okay.
That one is dead.
Let's move in, baby, it's alive.
Which one? It's not that one. Is that one
She's
dead?
moving.
Oh, they got shot three.
It's three, yeah.
No, it's two. It's two.
You see, you know, one. I told Lisa, I heard that when the kids them come out,
Oh, yeah, there. I discussed it.
she lie down on him.
Oh, shit, I don't know that three.
She's
Three, man.
Oh my
I'm sorry about that, man. Because I heard on it, you know what? Maybe she was struggling in this one.
I'm gonna take it to
Lie down, she lie down on one, you know. This is what happened, you know. Maybe she have it. Oh, God.
Yeah!
Mama!
Oh my God, call his grandma.
Mama!
I'm gonna take I want to go back to the beach.
You wanna go back to the beach? Hey,
I'm not afraid
anymore, that is it. So,
That's here is my teacher.
yeah, she done it. So, look here, make sure you keep your floating.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it going.
Mm,
Come in and why my niece won't you do?
so she have 1 minute, which she have. The one that died is a girl. So she have this brown one is a ram. I don't want to touch them until married.
Because they you know situation because they're not gonna get they're not gonna feed me. Sometimes I touch one, the black one, I touch it but Gertrude didn't want me out, that's why. That's one thing.
That's it. You want to get up. Yes. Something a bite her. You know what I want? If you can find me.
Mommy, I go for one box. Box.
Carry a box.
Mommy.
Oh, that was a fine.
You know something? I heard what did I tell you? Say the goat a kid.
I want two.
Me should have come out, man.
Next time when
Me through this one hot and I was tired.
Next time when I go into beach, I'm gonna carry this baby to beach with me.
Something wrong with that.
And who is the beach teacher?
Okay.
Who teach me how to swim in the water?
Come, get up off of your dead baby. Come. Yeah.
This one don't want that the go want take when we go to
Tree man, goat can't tree kid man. Good goat.
We go ask Auntie Soji.
Can't get one.
Mama, what are you doing? Mister, I could blame myself, man, because after I lie down the inside, but I hear when one of the kids cry out, and I said to Aisha, say, look like, yeah.
Don't bring you out yesterday and let you
I'm on from eat my belly full, man, go jump asleep. Yeah. So me hear when the kid cry out. So me said to Aisha, said the goat a kid, but you know what happened? It looked like she did a struggle.
Okay.
And then what she do now, she lie down on this one. She lie down on it, look on him, man.
I lovely kid, you know.
I love the
Flatty
man.
mouth.
Yeah, man. They flat him out. She was struggling and
you
you
know.
can't see it. And I want girl, you know.
Oh, Jesus.
Mama, you know what? No, we go get piece of cloth because you're not supposed. Oh, okay, you can use that. Yeah, you can use that. Yes.
Mercy.
God have mercy. Look at that. Let me take her off you, Mama. Aisha,
No,
hold
no,
this.
make your hand touch it.
No.
Look at them, man. Lovely,
Lovely
something
something.
there.
Me here, and the kid me here and the mother me here one time when the mother cry out.
Kevin.
So me come out and when me look, me see.
Water, good on that.
Babe, you want a glove?
Not use me. Yeah, okay. Give me this.
Don't touch his tail. Come through. Nubian them, you know.
I do that many years. Yes, at the first time, but it looked like she was struggling to get them out. Let's go come back and move that one dead one.
Which part I go put him on?
Time same place for entire night time. For him can't let go.
Come.
If him let time same place on the piece of steak. For him let go.
I'll come back and move that dead one, yeah?
Alright, time.
Oh. Are the boys or girls?
This is one boy.
Oh.
Huh? One girl, one, yeah. I know. Yeah, man, we are telling some here when you go to a kid, man.
We spoke about today, didn't we? We said
Yeah,
that was pregnant.
yeah. So me here when my mother ball out, so me I say, why the goat a ball so? Then Aisha, and me go back go fall asleep, and then you say, let me go look for the goat them.
Yeah, so this was one, because it don't smell
Then the
sound
sound,
right.
then the sound right. God, you put pony hurt you.
Oh, that's
You know what? It look like she not even passed out the yeah, after birth, you know, but I hope she have somewhere to put them tonight. You see it? I'll leave them in that box. Huh?
Yeah, man, put them right there. Take them out of the box. Take them out of the box, Jim.
The big one wants to take my little kid.
I want that most one ram. I want that one there.
He's all like this is African.
Well, mommy.
Take the same most one ram in the one. If I look on here, no. The brown one, the ram.
Yeah, man.
You saw no longer. Nadine. You know,
Go for a rubbish bag, yeah.
Yeah, mama.
I like rubbish bag, go on.
That's what I say. If we have time, you know, we have to pull on this and be one goat pen, because you need one goat pen. You need a goat pen and pull on these. I'll make a goat pen with it.
Hey, what's it now? Huh? Where are time?
Yeah, it's a goat, mama. What do you think?
Yes.
Especially if you put dog them on your night time.
It's too lovely, man. Last month, you know. Yeah, you kill them.
You need a goat pen, man.
When I plant it, I used to them in plant it, I want spray with this horse. This one there, so until.
What's in there?
What's in, yeah, I know what's in there. That's why I'm saying that I want spray. Yes, so you go and hold the better. Give him the whole of the rope. Give him one. I think he can run round. Yeah, they want to bring it down further. They used to have them up there, you know. They used to have them on the floor.
Do you like the goats? The baby goats? Do you like the baby goats?
Yeah, I like the baby goats.
Which one do you like, the brown one or the black and white one?
What you got for the white one now?
I want the
The
fun
brown
one.
was so cute.
I want the black one because
No, the brown was cute. the brown
I
one.
have brown too. Feel like I want the two of them. Two.
You're gonna have the two of them?
Yeah. One for me and one for my and one for Monkey.
At the front there,
Yes, yes.
so.
And those light there, you don't
Last
they use
night I
solar
was
system, so you don't have to burn your electricity.
Burn, oh,
So you
okay.
just put them here, if you build a goat pen, you just shine it there.
Shine
Said
it
I was
up there.
tired
At
when
night
mommy
time.
eat the cake because I was
So that means all you need to do
and I
is just
jump
come
up
and see what's
and I
going on.
jump on the bed.
Yeah.
I jump on the bed and jump on the
I
bed.
need to
Then
go and
I
move it. When we gonna put the
started
dead
to
one?
And since that the
So
dream,
well, unless
That-
I have to go
that
beg
dream
Kevin.
said
Swim way down at the
Yo.
bottom down there.
I will take him and carry him go down. You mean over the end? Of the-
Yes.
So that is the long story about my goats.
What was you saying about the goats?
My little goats.
Oh, you like the goats?
I promised her one.
Yes.
So although one is dead,
Mhm.
I still keep the promise.
Oh, you're lucky girl.
Yeah.
So we pray
I
God.
want
That they will
I want
alright.
You're gonna
1,
be
2,
alright.
3, 4. I want 4. See,
They
one
look like they have
series,
some-
one series,
Some
one
type
series.
of mixture of
Yeah,
want
they are
one, two,
Nubian.
Nubian.
Yes,
Nubian,
the
yes,
father
yes.
is
I
the
want 7
grandfather is a full Nubian.
Mhm, mhm.
This mother is a Nubian. So it's a, like a crossbreed
Yes.
Nubian in them.
And, you see, right now with these goats that you have here,
I want to go back
all
to
you need
beach.
here to improve the
Because
breed is
look
that.
is my
Yes,
best
and I need
teacher.
like one of the Nubian what I did
Yeah,
buy
so it's a
I
Nubian
need
dog.
to-
to build them
My
up.
best
Yeah.
teacher
That's all you need. You
in
need a
the
good
world.
male.
I have a lovely one the
I
other
wish
day I
I
sell
could
it,
stay
you know,
in
but in
Here.
last year.
Or if you know somebody with a good male,
Right.
improve them.
I
So
have
with,
one.
with these kids now that born because they're
You
Nubian,
can-
Yes.
when they grow up, make sure you get a nice
Nice
buff for
new-
them.
yes, that's
so
what
you
one-
improve the breed more
Build
and
more,
yeah,
right.
yeah.
That's why I sell the other one.
Yes, yes.
When him look like that one there, me get 70,000 for it.
Yeah.
Anyways,
You
I
got
wish
your
I
money,
could
man.
stay
Yes.
down here for
Who don't
the
take up
goat.
$70,000
Dog,
there?
yeah, I say, mama, man. Yes. But looking at this now, if they have longer time,
Yes.
we'll pull down this because people will make something out of it.
Out of it.
Out of it.
The back one could it like the zinc.
Yes, yes, yes,
Well,
yes.
what I have to do, I don't know if I see one young man build one down my yard down my plant servants going call him
Call
to
him.
see.
Mhm.
So I don't know.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes I work on construction but I have to secure these especially these little
And that
ones.
tree that fall down over, so you can get the post them out of that.
Yes, the young man supposed to go and come cut it. But I mean, she tell him when to come, probably
yes,
next
yes,
week
yes.
or so.
Yes, yes. Yes. Yeah, man, we make a nice little pen put them in.
Put them in at night.
Yeah, in a nice, yeah. These one drink water?
Yes, yesterday you drink a whole lot
So, yeah, that's it.
of water.
Yeah. So you can actually start to train them, you know what I mean? So just put the bowl one shot.
And they drink
And
from
they
it.
come, yeah.
And I give them molasses to you.
And
know.
molasses, so if you can put a shot here, as soon as you go and get them in the evening,
They
they're
come
gonna
and
rush straight
come
up to
and
the shop.
drink.
Yeah, them soon gonna be alright. As long as whenever she feel alright.
Right.
At the moment, you know what I mean. She does have 3 kids, so she kind of a bit shaky.
Yes.
Yeah, she be tired. You know, and the sun was hot today.
Very hot. And each time I look out there, you know, me seeing lay down one time and see my feed. But I did not hear the kid. I don't know if when I was around here, the kid was making, but I did not because I would rush out there to
Yes.
see.
Look at that.
The brown one's cute, yeah.
Yeah.
The brown one's a nice
Is
colour.
that one? Look at that.
I don't know the dad, you know.
Oh.
I don't know the dad. He must have down there. So I don't know what the dad look like.
Yes.
So is it a boy or girl, the brown one?
Yeah, it's a boy.
The brown one?
No, that one over there is a boy.
No, that one's a boy.
Okay, and this one's a girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is an ideal place of gold like stone. Stone, good, chive and stone good. I love goats, man.
Yeah, I love.
I love goats.
Didn't hear about them and still that way.
Yes, Mama, I keep you moving. Yes.
Keep me moving. And moreover, you know, when I was a child, my grandmother wore a lot of goats,
Yes.
fowl.
Yes.
My grandfather do the cow, the donkey, and the horse.
Yes.
But my grandmother, when you see some big ram,
Yes.
ooh.
Yes.
So I sort of have the
Yes.
goat.
Yeah.
Because I
The
grew
passion
up,
for the, you have the passion for the.
right.
Yes,
I
same
grew
here.
up where
Mhm.
a lot of goat, my grandmother, when you see he drive them in,
Yes.
the thing I say I'm going to get is some rabbit.
Rabbit, yes. I love rabbit as well.
Yeah, I'm going to get some rabbit.
Yeah,
I
man.
have it, you know, and the man, there's a dog come tear down the coop and kill them all.
Oh my God. Yeah, you're gonna have to do something about
Yeah. But as I
how is that out there?
I left it to God.
Yeah. Is that Kevin?
Kevin, somebody else.
Daddy, big mouth.
Oh, they're moving. Oh, he's moving the goats. Yeah.
I feel like I want to.
Yes. She be alright.
Daddy, attack the one.
She's gonna be alright. Alright then, Mama. Let me go move the dead one. Yeah.
Thanks a million.
Yeah, you're welcome, Mama.
I want to go.
Oh, it's so cute. Then go.
What's going on out there?
I don't know.
I want to.
Oh, it's a shame that she lost one.
Yeah.
It's nature.
Yeah.
What can you do?
Guys, me say, I'm so sorry, man, because I hear when the goat was crying out today, and I was wondering that, you know, that sound like the goat is having kids. I just eat down my soup today, but I was tired. Next thing, oh my God. the
I
goat-
said to you, I said, it's not those someone. I'm going to go look outside.
telling you, man. You can't afford to lose a goat in this time because goat is... You did? Oh, that's why I coughing this, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh my God. Yes, guys. Yeah, that is it.
We didn't plan to do this video, did we? So
We didn't plan, but Kevin already get rid of him already, so thank God. The mother is alright. So yeah, we hope the next two gonna be alright, and they will grow up. What's that water?
Hey, water.
Oh. Yes, ma'am. John.
yeah, if you have to.
So what's going on here? Yes, you coming at the light. Yeah, that is it. What you doing, alright? Good. Mama, have you heard from Alton? Is he reach home safe?
Yes, he's okay.
Oh, good.
He go sleep and he was went to work last night.
Yeah. That is it. That is it. The long journey, that flight. You know. Oh my God. It was a night flight. I prefer the night flight. You know, the one that we came on, it was a day flight. Oh my God, I don't like the day flight. It's too tiring. Yeah. So we're going back now. The night one. Yeah, night going back. Yeah.
Hope so. Hopefully I'll sleep on it, because I can never sleep on a plane. I can never sleep on a plane. I can never sleep on a plane.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, exactly. I have to make sure I'm down the ground first.
Well, the reason why it depends on the how long is your flighting.
That's not true.
Because when I'm going to Africa, my God, them flight is forever. You have to sleep. Yeah.
That's me.
Mommy, no.
Come on, see your dog.
No.
Aisha want to see your dog.
Just tell me, say she wanna go back to beach. She wanna go and swim again.
I
Eh?
think I
Enjoy it. Because she's a swimmer
You
now.
have to dance to me first. Aisha
Come on.
want you to dance here.
Let me play your music. What music?
We'll take it to the beach if you start dancing.
Yeah.
Aisha said, which one you want to see?
What music you wanna hear?
You don't know?
Tell me which music you.
No.
Tell Aisha which one
Don't
you
be,
want to
don't be shy. Don't be shy. What's your favorite music?
see. Look at you.
I don't know, mommy. Why?
You know, the other night. You know, look about 5 dogs in the yard. You wonder where they come from.
I all boat. That's why they're not happy to go them.
They walk.
Don't know which song I want to choose.
You know, yeah, that is.
Yeah, easily walk up that one.
Look like a yesterday come through.
No man, one next. You
Mommy, we
look
don't know.
Looking like this. So
Hello.
them go through.
That's what I'm saying. And after I know the rubbish bin, then go in there.
Yeah, then
And
go.
I get up in the night and run them way, man.
Last night they did about
Full grown dog.
You know, see, so they might do some hunting, you know.
Yeah, small dog. Yeah.
You have to go watch it, but keep it.
You're gonna have to do something about it. I was saying to Mama, they say, look, you know what? You need to pull down that old thing at the back and build a boat pen with it.
Well, we did need to do tonight. You put the boat them under the step right there, so I'll take some black wood. And that you should have done.
So maybe you tell her and get
Yeah,
her zinc and
but you know, saying, could I do that too? I'll take it back with because see the right hand and anything window, so when the dog them coming, she can see.
yeah, she need help with him as well.
Joe,
What's that?
The knife.
yesterday the knife.
Oh, look careful, man. Careful. Yeah.
You can't believe I put you what me.
You need a good idea that you know, Angia.
Yeah, you better when put it underneath the step there, so.
Yeah.
And from the dog them because the dog them start come back in the yard.
Yeah, man. Let
And
me go.
last night me hear them in the yard last night. You didn't hear them, Mama?
So let me go walk ahead to help her then. Them zinc.
Zinc can't, if I want to zinc,
Yeah.
cross it.
Yeah. Come over to her.
Come on, man.
You're right there.
Right, that's a good little spot.
Yeah.
Would you tell that if you can't cook rest one?
Mommy,
Exercise, you know, run.
You start in the mosquito bite.
A spray.
Yeah, go on up. Yeah. That is it. You need to go on the choir, you know.
True, you know.
Huh?
Me?
Yes.
I went that.
I would love to have some girls smoke some manish water.
We are going to get ramen goat.
But me want proper ram goat, me no want no female. You know. No, sir.
Tomorrow, Thursday? I say me see the butcher tomorrow.
Mhm.
Me can get one.
And some goat foot. Goat foot and them thing there. Yeah. More, you know the manish water where you can stay around the corner and smell. Lord Jesus. One the one with, yes. A tip of rum in it, man. And feel like a young banana. Yeah. Mama, let me show you something. Come here, Mama, please. Are the machete that?
No, man, he just want to do
Yeah, me some chop with like that. So as Angia was saying there, you see under the step I'm gonna weed out under the step now, and then you can back them under there for tonight, you know, because
What happened?
because
Tell them you spray.
eh.
What's next underneath you? What do you want? This spray.
Yeah, man, we chop you up, mama. We can, cause I think it's the safest place that for them tonight. Give me the machete. I'll go and I'll go chop out.
No, what is that?
Oh, what is there? Oh.
Tell that if you stand lighter with the fire come here.
Oh, yeah, man.
You
Just,
light on the fire.
I'm burning them out, innit?
Easier.
Yeah, man. That's the best thing. That's for now, for to zinc.
Me have to secure in a car, one I never have to put.
Yeah.
Only God I'm going to take the most care of.
Yes. yes.
We have to take good care of the
Yes. Look here, not only the kid, the mother too.
No, but you have to make him, you have to feed that thing.
Yes.
So you have to be a butcher until you reach butcher.
The poochie alone.
Daddy, just because take out the clothes and go from me.
Okay, take off the clothes. You take off the, everybody,
Take
bathroom.
off the clothes right now,
I know that me mean. Tell him to get the fire and the lighter can come.
my lad.
Give me the machete. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, me now go chop it under them, and I will feel
Tell him to get them can come.
machete look like I want left hand man machete. Yeah, so for now, that is a safe place for them until the kids then get big. Spray some on me, darling. Hmm?
I'll put trainers on.
Yeah, put it in. Some else, right as a base.
You can- you-
Base, put some else to the front.
You can have this one because I've got some more. You can keep that one.
Huh?
Thank you so much.
No, for mosquito.
Mosquito. Mommy! Mosquito. Mommy, go want some for my hand soon too. Mosquito bite me too.
Grandma, they don't feel like it's cold.
Mommy, go want some to my hand.
Thank you.
No mosquito. Lord, mosquito.
What you say, Dorothy?
And the mosquitoes cannot bite me.
Only one more, thank you. Clean. Yeah, man. That's it.
I am free. Hello. Hello, everybody.
So,
Hi, everybody. Everybody, it's nice to meet you. Hi, everybody.
I have put tie front after I put them on.
yeah.
You want me to board it? Just underneath it.
Yeah, no, you
I
might
have to
right.
block off you.
No, if you want piece of me, I think that you already.
Them two.
You then go pan. You put them pan in.
Where? Yeah. Bring it good.
Which part there?
Oh, what is that?
What's that?
It's
A moth.
bat.
They're too long.
That was a bat because I was afraid of bats. Mommy, when I never there, you see? A big gold bat coming up on me. Mommy, you see one time I never there. You would have seen that big old bat when I home.
I show why you dance here, you know.
No, Mommy.
You danced to the day when I seen you at your mum and dad's wedding.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I got the video on my phone.
Yes, so you can dance.
Do you remember? You Munchie dancing. I got it on my phone.
I don't want. I don't know which
So
song I
what
should
are you being shy for?
go like.
Do you want a plaster? I got a plaster.
You have plaster?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you finish, you can go
Look
for it.
like.
And I got some cream, some Savlon cream.
Right.
Like antiseptic.
For the
Look.
For the cut, yeah. I bought all this in the UK. Joe's like, are you making a shop in Jamaica? I went, no, I'm prepared. I said, because I don't know what happens. I went, so I brought plasters.
True.
How much mosquito repellent I've got at home and sun cream?
Yeah.
He goes, how much you need to bring? I went, you never know.
Holy.
So I have to leave off from at home.
Mommy, we don't know which kind of song. Mommy, we don't know which song we should
This
tell.
dance with Aisha,
Mommy, let's see
Let's dance, yeah, let's dance without a song.
Dance your favourite song.
Hey, that's your favorite song in your head. Keep one song in your head.
Put your inside the summer.
Yes.
You're going to be safe, my little baby. This song go like this. The dance, which part is it now? Aisha. I don't remember this song, but I know the dance.
All the way down there. That's the one I don't like.
It go like
Let's not jump on your head.
the butter jump. Mommy, I don't know which kind of song.
No, I'm going to use that to something I cut out there.
Shoot. I need to walk.
Yeah, man.